In this video, I'm going to show you some Microsoft Word tips that'll save you some time. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to randomly generate text. Then I'm going to show you how you can toggle between uppercase, lowercase, and camel case. And then I'm going to show you how you can highlight a square field of text. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to randomly generate text. All you have to do is type equals, LOREM, parentheses, and then you're going to put two numbers separated by a comma. The first number is going to be the number of paragraphs that you want to generate, and the second number is going to be the number of sentences in that paragraph. So for example, if I want 3 paragraphs of 5 sentences, I type that in and hit enter, and it randomly generates text. Now this is something that you can use if you need a placeholder in a PowerPoint presentation, or if you need a placeholder on your website. You can generate this in Word and copy and paste it where you need a placeholder. Now, if you wanted to randomly generate English text, you would hit rand and type it equals rand and then parentheses your 3 and 5 and hit enter, and that generates English text. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is how you can toggle between the different cases if you want uppercase, lowercase, or camel case. So let's go ahead and hit Control and click on a word that'll select the entire paragraph. Then we're going to hold the Shift function F3, and that's going to toggle between uppercase and lowercase. And if we keep toggling Shift function F3, it'll go from lowercase and then back to camel case. So you can do that on a group of words, on a sentence, on a paragraph, whatever you need to do. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can highlight a square field of text, and you're just going to hit the Alt key while you drag your mouse, and you can select just a straight square box. And then if you wanted to change the font color and make it bold and be creative, you can do that. So you may want to do that again. Hit Alt, drag and select your square field of text, and then change the font and color. Be sure to click on the link in the description of this video, and you can download a one-page quick reference guide for Microsoft Word tips for these, as well as some other shortcuts that you'll find very useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. You can click the bell and you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions on these tips or if you have any other tips to share. Thanks so much for watching.